Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Why am I doing this?
I don't know. You're in the good vibes?
As always.
Hi guys.
You guys, it's a brand new day and I am in my favorite place as usual.
Kitchen.
The kitchen. I am making lunch for Babe and I. And I'm sure you guys can spot the difference by now. My hair is gone! Y'all, I cannot do false hair for... I cannot do extensions for long. When I say I can't do it for long, I mean I can do it for 3 weeks. But if I'm over it, I'm just over it. And it was scratching me like crazy. And if I don't wash my hair, my every week routine, my face will break out within the 3rd week. And I'm not about the breakout life right now. So I just decided to take it out this morning. I woke up, I took it out. It took me like no time to take it out. Take out really fast. And I washed my hair, got all fresh. Look after the fam bam. I just put Tyler down for a nap. And now I'm making lunch for Babe and I. I'm making an avocado and smoked salmon sandwich. Or should I say toast for Babe and I. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day though. Comment down below and let me know what you guys having for lunch today. When you guys watch this, it would have been about Wednesday. So happy Wednesday, y'all. Happy Wednesday.
Anything you want from your assistant?
Pull this.
It's pulled already.
Oh.
Completely?
Well, I guess it's me stupid. That's not how I would normally pull it.
Really? How do you do?
I would just cut here and leave here still closed. So I would just have one little opening. I just pull out what I want. I don't normally open it like that.
Okay, sorry.
That's okay. So lunch is going down, you guys. Let me show you what lunch is looking like today. So I'm squishing this avocado, and when I make mashed avocado, I always just put a little salt on it to bring up the taste. And I have my toast, which I'm going to add to that real quick. And I'm just using a little more than half of a small avocado for the both of us. Well, it looked like I need to use an entire avocado, but now I'm gonna make it work with what I mashed so far. And then I'm going to put some smoked salmon on top of that. And that's that. That looks so yummy, yummy, yummy. Jeez. And that's lunch, y'all. That's lunch. And I went to the supermarket on Friday. At the supermarket over the weekend, I didn't get any kiwi, which I love having kiwi to eat when I finish eating these days instead of eating yogurt. So no kiwi for me. I'm gonna have to try get it in the week. I didn't get any broccoli. Seems like broccoli shortage is going on because it wasn't at our grocery supermarket and it wasn't at our fruit and veggie supermarket. So I'm gonna have to survive without broccoli this week unless I have to go to another store to try and see if I can find it. But yeah. Lunch is ready. You guys, let me show y'all what's going on outside. Let me show y'all what's going on outside while we're stuck inside and can't go out. You guys, it's dark out. It's raining, non-stop raining. Tyler, what's happening outside?
Raining.
Yeah, it's raining. So we had gotten ready to go for a walk, but that's not working because it's raining non-stopping. So we're just chilling inside, getting some work done. Nugget, what you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Cuckoo, what you doing? Yes? No cash right now. Mama tired. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. I see you. You're right here. That's you. You. You're hiding from Mama under the table?
Mama.
Yes.
Mama, the cash.
More cash. No. Okay guys, look at outside. Man, it's so white. You can't see nothing at all. So white. Well, this kind of weather I should be making some soup, but since I already had, slide makes me look yellow because I just turned it on. Since I already went ahead and seasoned my chicken, I'm just going to carry on with dinner's plans. I'm going to make some oven jerk, which I already seasoned up for dinner for the fam bam. Have some jerk chicken that I seasoned. So I'm going. What is wrong? Papa said don't do that, so Mama going to say also don't do that. Huh? Yeah, Papa said don't do that, so don't do that, okay?
Okay.
Alright. My kid is something else. So I'm throwing these in the oven and then I'm going to decide what I'm going to make with this for dinner. You guys, I ended up making quinoa and beans and corn to go with the oven jerk chicken. So that's Babe, that's Tyler's, and that's mine. Dinner is ready for the fam bam.
Baba.
Oui, Tyler.
What is that? What is that? What is this? Yeah. Yeah, Baba. Yes, Tyler, it's Mama ears, but stop digging it out.
Baba.
Oui, Tyler. Oui, maman, les oreilles, maman. Les oreilles.
Eh? What is this? What is this? Give Mama big hugs. Tight. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you. Peinture? What color is the paint? Blue. That's your first painting, no?
No, this one is the
your
first one.
painting.
And
Mama
this
going
is
to
the
frame
second
this
one.
one and take down this one in the future. I love you. Give me a kiss. Bookie. Go choose Bookie. And a picture of the telephone is right here. It's here. It's here.
Where's the moon?
It's here.
Uh-oh.
No, see the moon there. You got tricked. The star is there.
With moon.
The moon is there.
With coach.
The couch or the cow? Look all his hair.
Kadia.
What else?
But
That's a fire.
is the Miss Fire.
Fire is here. Where is the mouse?
Where's the mouse?
Where's the mouse? Ah! I found it before you. Hi, Fibs.
What you do? Hi, Fibs.
Hi, Fibs.
Like shy girl.
Whatever. Hi, you want me to always be excited? You guys, I am here ironing. Damn, how many shirts did I iron, honey?
I think it was 14 or 15
Oh my
of
gosh. I'm like a machine. I ironed 14 shirts a day, but I like to iron them in batches like this because when I do that, then I don't have to be ironed every week or every 2 days. I just knock them out and get it out of the way. Anyway, babe, in the vlog.
So while she's ironing, sometimes I do iron. She don't do it all the time. She doing most of the time because when I do it, she's mad at me. She looking at me like, why are you doing it? Why are you doing it? But you know, sometimes I want to do it because I don't want her to do it every time. So I'm very, very, very thankful for the wife that I have.
No, you
she's-
just saying that because I'm beside you.
Yeah, she don't hear it right now. She gonna discover it when she gonna hear it. I
You're an
love you.
idiot.
But I love you.
I love you too, baby.
Alright, so there have been I'm gonna say it's changed. They were planned to go out at a point, but it was raining and didn't really want it to change and to get sick, so yeah. Hopefully where you are is not raining, is a sunny day, because here is terrible since a week or like 10 days. It's raining non-stop, and I think the next day gonna be like this. So I hope you had a wonderful weekend. I hope you had a lot of fun. We love you guys.
The Jamaican expression for today is iron.
I was about to say the same thing.
Iron means iron. Jamaicans don't say iron, we say iron. So me just don't iron my man clothes. Straight Jamaican. I just finished ironing babe's clothes. So Jamaican expression for today is iron. Babe say iron.
Ian.
Iron. What's the French expression for today?
The French expression is repasser. Repasser. Do you know what is passer?
Yes.
What is passer?
To pass. To
Right.
pass it over.
Right, that's pass. And repasser?
Means to iron.
Right. And normally re is like to do it
Redo,
again, to
yes.
redo it. So it's like to pass away, like, and
To pass over
repass
and
away,
repass.
and that's how we say to iron. When you iron shirt with the that's how you say repasser.
Right.
That's the French expression
Right.
for today. That makes sense.
Yeah, kind of, sort of ish.
Ah.
I'm coming to the French expression.
Repasser, that's how you repass.
I finished.
Oh,
I just finished the last one.
okay.
So 16 shirts.
No, 14 or 15. That was overall.
And one extra one, 16.
Now you can repasser.
Again, the one that I
Yeah,
did.
the same one.
Idiot. Anyway, you guys, there you have the French expression and Jamaican expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Yes. Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, and if it's your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.